Natural glaucoma treatment for high eye pressure. 5 ways to lower eye pressure naturally. Introduction. Glaucoma is an eye condition characterized by elevated intraocular pressure. In this video, we will talk about natural glaucoma management. Fortunately, numerous natural approaches can help lower eye pressure and support overall eye health. We will explore 5 ways to naturally reduce eye pressure and potentially reduce the risk of glaucoma progression. First, adequate sleep. Prioritize quality deep sleep to ensure proper eye function and pressure reduction. Around 8 hours of sleep is required to recover properly. Second, eye exercises. Practicing specific eye exercises will provide better drainage of fluids from the eyes and eye pressure reduction. Light stretching is the best way to clean up stagnation from the eyes. Step-by-step eye training course, Eyesight Academy, a link in the description below. Third, relaxing meditation. Stress reduction through practices like meditation can have a positive impact on overall eye health and pressure management. By lowering stress, you can reduce eye pressure. Meditation for facial muscle relaxation is a great way to reduce glaucoma naturally. Fourth, avoid eye strain. Reducing screen time and using proper lighting can prevent eye strain, which can contribute to higher eye pressure. By giving your eyes rest and quality recovery, you can cure glaucoma naturally. Fifth, regular walking on the fresh air. Walking in the fresh air can calm down your mind, reduce eye strain, and improve eye health. By looking far, your eyes will rest and recover from screens. Plus, healing sunlight can renew your eyes. Conclusion. Natural approaches can be beneficial in managing eye pressure. Incorporating these natural methods into your lifestyle can contribute to healthier eyes and potentially slow the progression of glaucoma and heal it. Prioritizing eye health through a combination of natural exercises will help you maintain clear vision and a higher quality of life.